Hello to everyone. In this video I will test my Beretta 92 6mm AirSoft replica CO2 version on a bottle of vodka. It's a very thick bottle, a very thick bottle. And I'm really curious if this replica can break this bottle with a 6mm 0.90 grams steel BB. From about 8 meters away. One more steel will be because the deal miss. Point 80 grams, sorry, 0.90 grams steel BB. Okay, one more try. I'll try to fit the phone. Okay. Beretta 92. And this is it. Look at this. I'm not sure where the BB is, but it's gone through or something like that, I think. Okay, I think I found the BB. It got a, so the steel BB just got a really good mark on it, as you can see. This shows that the bottle was very hard and thick bottle. As you can see, it has 2mm wall, 2mm thick, or maybe even more. Oh, more than 2. Okay, it got 3.5 milliliters, the thickness of the, as you can see, 3.5 millimeters thick. That's all. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe.